Welcome to the video. Today I'll show you how to turn on the built-in parental controls on any Android phone in 2025. This works on Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Pixel and all modern Android devices. Let's get started. First, unlock the phone and open the settings. Now scroll down until you find parental control. Select it. Turn on the control for this phone. Set your parental control pin. Select next. Confirm the pin. Select confirm and add the recovery email. Then select next option and select continue. Now control for this phone, turn it on. Type the parental control pin. Now you can control daily limit, app limits, downtime, website content filters. For example, I'm gonna show you daily limit. Today usage 6 hour 50 minute and choose the day. Today is Sunday and type the parental control pin. Select this right arrow option. Time limit, you just need to, you can select the time limit, how much hours your kids can use. Time limit set, I'm gonna set it to 1 hour. And you can set the same for apply to all days. Time limit apply to all days of the week. Now go back. After this 3:22 p.m. your kids can't use the mobile guys. And that's it. Your Android parental control are fully enabled for 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. To turn off this parental control, just turn off this control for this phone and type the pin. Select this right arrow and it's gonna be turned off.